Hello, and welcome to the ProjectWise Administrator Advanced Accreditation course on advanced workflows. In this group of lessons, we learn how to configure advanced workflows using an Excel workbook. In this group of lessons, we reviewed the key data source settings affecting workflows, learned why a workflow rules engine workbook is needed, discovered how to configure menu options for specific workflows, and translated the process diagram into a set of workflow rules. When it comes to configuring the workflows in the Workflow Rules Engine workbook, bear in mind a few key items. The Rules Engine configuration is done in a workbook, then imported into ProjectWise Administrator. Not all workflows need to use the Rules Engine. The Rules worksheet will contain all rules for all workflows that use the Rules Engine. Use built-in Excel features such as conditional formatting and filters in the Rules worksheet. And only one attribute can be tied to the version string for an entire data source. Now that we've configured the Rules Engine in an Excel workbook, it's time to implement the advanced workflow for testing.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.